Hi, I'm Michelle Griffith with Compass. Welcome to this 4,200 square foot loft in the heart of Tribeca. Originally a 19th century warehouse, 44 Layth Street is among the few landmarked pre-war condominiums in the neighborhood. Inside, you will find a harmonious blend of pre-war charm, authentic loft elegance, and luxurious modern design. Let's take a closer look. The first thing you notice is this massive 58-foot great room. 12-foot ceilings just add to the sheer volume around you. With this kind of space, there's plenty of opportunity to design the perfect home for entertaining. This stylish living room epitomizes the design of this home. These bright windows keep the room bright and airy, and it's flanked on one side by custom millwork and on the other side with whitewashed brick and stone. You will also notice reclaimed wood accent walls, original cast iron columns, and wood beams. And up those stairs is a glass-enclosed custom home office that overlooks the entire great room. So even on one of those Zoom calls, you're never far from the action. The owners placed the dining room in the center of the space, making it the perfect place to host lavish dinner parties. Now let me show you where you are going to cook for those dinner parties. I just love this kitchen. The architectural details, like this brick arch, combine beautifully with reclaimed wood accent wall and concrete stone backsplash and stainless steel. And this oversized custom island is the perfect place to prepare breakfast and enjoy it. Everything is a step up in this apartment, including this media room. It's the perfect place to kick back and watch a movie or maybe open house. The entire north side of the apartment is the private wing with 3 bedrooms, including this stunning primary suite. Like the rest of the home, it's both chic and spacious, making it the perfect place to unwind after a long day. And the spa-like bath just takes it to another level. I hope you enjoyed joining me for a look at this expansive, stylish, and modern Tribeca loft. It's truly rare to find this much space in the heart of Tribeca. Thanks for coming.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.